Hey guys, it's me Haspa with WTI, and if you want to glow all night and be the life of the party, this Pixi Beauty Glitter Eye Quad is just right for you. Just look at how glittery it is. It comes in 4 glitter shades and each of them is so beautiful. And I love the texture, guys. I wish you could feel what I'm feeling right now. It's just very smooth, very hydrating. It feels like if you were putting some lotion on your body that has glitter. It also feels a little oily because it actually has castor oil and vitamin E in it. This product is suitable for all skin types, I'm sure. It looks just great on my tan skin. And if you have lighter skin, it would look even better, I guess, because the colors will show more. So just take a look at how beautiful the shades look on my skin. So girl, if you're looking to stand out and if you were not able to hire a makeup artist for a special event, have this quad with you. It will make your makeup look more professional and you will stand out. And yeah, that's what it did for me. This is how shiny and beautiful it is, and that's just my point of view.